Hey everybody, thank you for watching me. This is a product I'm going to show you, which are these knives right here. And that's what they look like on the box right there. Thanks to the people who sent this to me for my opinion. This is moss and stone. This is really heavy. I just opened the box. Really, I just opened the box, so I'm going to share with you as I open the box, okay? I'm going to pull them out. So as you see, it's a nice block, a nice wood block for your knives, and very heavy, very heavy. Okay, this one is a serrated knife for bread, and as far as I can tell, you know, it has a nice weight to it. Let me just take it out of the package right here so you can see. It's a nice serrated knife, and it really is pretty. It's a pretty knife and feels good in my hand. It's lightweight. It's definitely lightweight. The butcher, this thing here is heavier than anything, but the knife itself is lightweight. So if if you're looking for something with like a really heavy, this is not it. So let me just put this back in just for the sake of things. As a matter of fact, let me hold it out. So I want to get this thing here off. And here we have sort of a butcher knife. Again, I want to take it off. I'll probably take this in my other kitchenette downstairs. So if somebody want to use a nice knife, cut that right off. Here you go. This is like a butcher knife for me. You know, so if you're gonna just chop up things, again, it's not heavy. It's not heavy at all, and my hand feels good around it. So it's not bad at all. Let's see what else we got. We have, another nice knife. I won't call this a butcher knife, but I would just call this, a good knife if you needed a knife, to chop up things. So I would call it that. Even I might use it to like fillet some fish if I needed to. Looks pretty good. So again, feels good in my hand. This is called Moss and Stone, and I'm gonna say that this is probably a good starter set. Okay, if you're looking for a starter set, I think that this is pretty good. And this one is a little what I'm gonna call this, a little this one I would use to like chop up onions and things like that. Just a little chopping kind of knife, just a little small thing that you need every so often. Maybe even cut a lemon or something like that, which we do it all the time. And again, it feels good in my hand. It's a very pretty color. And what we have here is this, and this will sharpen your knife. This is what you use to sharpen a knife when it gets dull. This is like the manual sharpener, and you go across the sharpener, make sure it gets sharp. You go like that. Make sure this thing gets till it gets sharp for you. So they give you a little knife sharpener too. So thank you again to the people who sent this to me. I will get use out of them. My family will get use out of it, and I'm going to put it somewhere where my company can use it when necessary. Thank you.